So you made some big plan and went all gung but your plan isn't working and your life seems stuck. Here's a strategy to use. I'm Leila Boazal. I am a cancer survivor and I am your friendly neighborhood health and happiness advocate. I am also a master course builder. And I am here to tell you that checklists are yummy, my friend. If you track your progress every day with a checklist, you will be shocked at how much stuff you think you're doing that you're actually not doing. So using a checklist will let you see how consistent you really are. So if you take as an example, say you wanted to drink perhaps 2 liters of water a day, that's an easy goal. You're going to open up the notes on your phone, and every time you drink some water, you are going to put the date, you are going to put the amount of water, if it's 250 mils, as soon as you drink it. If you try to do this at the end of the day, you're not going to remember or you're going to forget what you actually drank. On Sunday now, at the end of the week, you are going to see how well you did and if you need to change your strategy. So perhaps drinking small glasses of water don't work for you and you're going to need to buy a 2-liter bottle. Or you might need to say, okay, I'm realizing I'm drinking all my water in the afternoon, so I'm going to need to drink at least 1 liter by 12 noon. Like and follow for more tips on how to be happier and healthier and amazed by your life every day. Thanks for being here.